Is that you?
Guess so.
Hell yeah. God, look at you. You're such a model. You're like total poser. I mean, posing. You're such a cute kid, Lori.
Thank you.
Oh, what are you doing?
You're totally the same way. Look at you.
Oh my god. I'm like a weirdo.
How come you don't dance like that anymore? Look how free you were back then.
It's funny that, isn't it? When you
You
grow
were
up, you
still
pay good money
confused.
to get to that stage.